Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about colleges. So all of the colleges that I'll be talking about are the colleges where I personally applied and I'm aware कि उनका admission procedure कैसा है. So I will not make this intro very long and we'll just get into the video very quickly. Okay, so let me tell you something about myself before we begin with this video. So I'm a third year student currently and I'm enrolled in the University of Delhi and my course is BA Honours Applied Psychology. So the first university that we're going to talk about is obviously Delhi University. It is one of the world's most famous universities and I'm so glad to be a part of Delhi University right now. So talking about the admission procedure, there are two ways that you can get into Delhi University. One is if you clear the cutoff and the second is the entrance exam. So Delhi University की cutoffs का तो introduction देने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. It's all over the newspaper every year. So if you're a student who is in class 12th currently and wants to have an idea of कैसा कट ऑफ आता है किस कोर्स का, then you should go through the previous year cut-offs. That's what I did. At least पिछले 3 साल की cut-offs if you can see, तो you'll understand a pattern and you will be able to guess कि अच्छा इस साल मेरे कोर्स की ये कट ऑफ आएगी. Now there are also a few courses in Delhi University जहाँ पे entrance के basis पे आपका admission होता है. I think 6 या 7 subjects ऐसे हैं and for that you have to enroll in this exam called the DUET Delhi University Entrance Test. So after you give this exam आपकी ranks आती हैं colleges के according and अगर आपकी rank अच्छी खासी होती है तो फिर आप admission clear कर लेते हो and you can secure a seat in Delhi University. बैक इन द डे व्हेन आई वाज अप्लाइंग टू दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी मैंने एंट्रेंस बेस्ड एग्जाम भी दिया था और मैं कट ऑफ्स का भी वेट कर रही थी बिकॉज आई वाज अ लिटिल स्कैर्ड कि मेरा एडमिशन होगा या नहीं होगा एंड ग्लैडली आई वाज सिलेक्टेड इन बोथ एंड आई फील दैट द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इन DU इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. आई डिड नॉट स्टडी फॉर इट एट ऑल. मैंने BLED का एग्जाम दिया था और मैंने कुछ भी पढ़ाई नहीं करती एंड स्टिल द रैंक दैट आई गॉट वाज लाइक इन 90s एंड द कॉलेज दैट आई सिलेक्टेड एज माय फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी वाज LSR लेडी श्रीराम कॉलेज एंड आई वाज एक्सेप्टेड इनटू दैट कॉलेज बट I felt that psychology is the right course for me and I let that course go. So I feel that the entrance exam इतना भी कोई डरने की चीज़ नहीं है. If you're someone who really wants to get into a course जिसके लिए entrance test चाहिए, so just give it, you might actually make it without even studying. The application forms of Delhi University are released around the time of your board exams, the 12th board exams or after the board exams are over. So that is majorly I think the month of April to May. उसके बीच में DU अपने फॉर्म्स निकाल देता है. अभी obviously ऑनलाइन एडमिशन चल रहे हैं DU में, so maybe थोड़ा सा here and there हो जाए, but DU usually releases its forms after the board exams are over or when they are about to be over. Now the second university that I applied to was Ambedkar University Delhi. Now Ambedkar University is also a government कॉलेज एंड DU की तरह ही, मतलब आई फील इट्स जस्ट लाइक भाई बहन DU का. जैसे DU कट ऑफ्स निकालता है वैसे ही अम्बेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी भी कट ऑफ्स निकालता है एंड जिस टाइम के अराउंड DU के फॉर्म्स आते हैं उस टाइम के अराउंड अम्बेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी के भी फॉर्म्स आते हैं. सो इफ यू समवन इज रियली कीन इनटू गेटिंग इनटू अ गुड गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज देन DU एंड अम्बेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी दिल्ली शुड बी on your list. The third very nice government university that is again in Delhi is Jamia Millia Islamia. So JMI, as a lot of people like to call it, also conduct entrance exam for their admission procedure. Jamia में there is a certain percentage of seats that are reserved for Muslim candidates. Jamia is one college जो अपने forms थोड़े से जल्दी release कर देता है. So around the time of March, Jamia के forms निकल जाते हैं even before you've started giving your board examinations. So make sure that you keep an eye out for that. Now we come to the fourth university, which is Amity University. Now Amity University is a private institute, I know, but I know a lot of people जो Amity University से पढ़े हुए हैं and Amity की faculty and course structure is pretty nice. That is what I've heard. Amity University again has two ways in which you can secure admission. The first way is that you give the entrance exam जो सबके लिए common होता है. It is a pretty easy entrance exam. English आती है उसमें बस, regardless of the course that you are choosing. And उसके बाद you have this one interview that you have to clear and then you can secure your admission. There is also this thing called direct admission when it comes to Amity University. So each year Amity has this certain cutoff. If you're clearing that cutoff तो आपको direct admission मिल सकता है. मतलब you don't have to give interviews or you don't have to sit for the entrance exam. You can directly go and secure admission in the university. I remember that this year that cutoff was 80%. जितने भी 5 subjects हैं उनका मिला के it should have been 80% and then you can get direct admission into the university. If not, then you can always apply for the entrance exam and sit for the interview. Now the fifth on my list is IP University. Now IP University is not entirely a public university, it is not entirely a private university, somewhere in the middle चलता है IP university का. अब IP university में admission लेने के लिए again you have to clear an entrance exam, and वो entrance exam जब आप दोगे उसके बाद आपकी ranks आती हैं, and ranks के basis पे आपकी counseling होती है. So जितनी अच्छी rank उतना अच्छा college under IP university. Now IP university releases their admission forms around the month of March or April. Again, all of these dates that I'm giving, they might be subject to variability because you never know कि उस time पे COVID का क्या scene होगा, and if offline admissions will be open by then or online ही सब कुछ चल रहा होगा. So the dates might vary a little bit. So if you guys are watching this video till here, then I can understand that you're a 12th grade student, and I have a few study tips for you for your board exams. The first and the foremost tip is stick to NCERT. I don't know how many people go outside and buy these random books like You Like and R.D. Sharma and all of these things, जबकि वो अपनी NCERT ही पहले ढंग से नहीं पढ़ते हैं. Until and unless you're completely thorough with your NCERT, don't move on to any other book. I was a humanities student and I remember that मैंने अपनी सारी NCERT books at least 3 times read करी थी. The second tip is that when you feel that your preparation is kind of complete, make sure that you go through the past year papers. Now past year papers are very very important क्योंकि past year papers से definitely questions आते हैं. Back when I was in school, मैंने at least पुराने 10 साल के papers देखे थे, and पिछले 6-7 years से questions नहीं आए थे, वो questions हमारे paper में आए थे. So I was so glad that I went through those papers and I made my preparation a little bit more stronger. The third tip is that make sure you are taking breaks. There was this time जब मैं पढ़ के इतना सैचुरेट हो गई थी कि मेरे को और पढ़ने का मन ही नहीं करता था, एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई गॉट वेरी वरिड कि मेरा बोर्ड्स का साल है और मैं पढ़ ही नहीं पा रही हूँ एंड एवरीथिंग. दैट्स व्हेन आई टॉक टू माय टीचर एंड शी टोल्ड मी दैट आपका दिमाग सैचुरेट हो गया, आप इतना पढ़ चुके हो, सो यू शुड गिव योरसेल्फ अ ब्रेक. योर ब्रेक विल बी इवन मोर बेनिफिशियल इफ इट इज नॉट अ सोशल मीडिया ब्रेक और अ नेटफ्लिक्स ब्रेक. अदर देन दैट यू कैन जस्ट सिट विद योर फैमिली, प्ले अ गेम ऑफ लूडो or maybe any other board games that you like to play, or maybe just go out for a walk and do things that do not involve the screen, and that will be very very beneficial for you. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I know कि मैंने बहुत कम information दी है सब universities के बारे में, because in this one video I could not cover everything. Now personally I am a student of Delhi University and I can tell you a lot more about the admission procedure of Delhi University and Delhi University के अंदर क्या चलता है. So if you're interested in that, then I will make another video for sure before Delhi University releases its admission forms. But yeah, for that you'll have to leave like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified whenever I'm putting that video. I hope you have a great study session and all the best for your board exams.